The stadium was loud. Not with music, not with laughter, with comparison. Parents shouted names, cameras flashed, coaches whispered strategies, and on the podium stood two boys. One held a sign that said first, the other raised a sign that said third, but only one of them was smiling. The winner, who wasn't happy. Sam stood on the highest step, gold around his neck, first place. Everyone clapped, but Sam's eyes were heavy. His shoulders drooped. He stared at the ground like something inside him had fallen. People assumed he was tired. They were wrong. He was empty. The third who felt rich. Beside him stood Leo, third place. No medal, no spotlight, yet his face glowed. He lifted his cardboard sign proudly, third. He laughed like he had already won something bigger, peace. Two boys, two worlds. Sam grew up in a house where success was measured, grades were compared, sports were judged, mistakes were remembered. His parents loved him, but they loved results more. Leo grew up differently. His mother hugged effort. His father praised courage. They celebrated progress. They taught him something simple. Do your best, then rest your heart. Sam's silent war. Sam trained harder than anyone, woke up before sunrise, ran until his lungs burned, practiced until his legs shook. He won races, but he lost himself. Every victory felt smaller than the pressure of the next one. Leo's quiet joy. Leo trained too, but when he fell, he laughed. When he lost, he learned. When he won, he shared. Running was not a battle for him. It was play. The podium moment. That day, Sam crossed the finish line first. People cheered, but he only heard one voice inside. You must stay first. Leo arrived third. His shoes were muddy, his shirt soaked, but his heart was light. He looked at Sam and smiled. A simple question. Later, in the locker room, Leo walked over. Hey, he said softly. Sam nodded. Leo asked, Why do you look sad? You won. Sam paused, then whispered, I'm scared. Leo blinked. Of what? Of losing. The weight of expectations. Sam explained. His parents expected trophies. His coach expected records. His school expected pride. Everyone wanted him to be perfect. No one asked if he was okay. Leo's answer. Leo sat beside him. He said, You know, most people don't suffer because they lose. They suffer because they compare. That sentence stayed. Deep, sharp, true. Leo explained, There are two races in life, one outside, one inside. Everyone trains for the outside race. Almost nobody trains their mind. Sam's awakening. For the first time, Sam listened without defending. He realized something painful. He was running towards success, but away from himself, learning to redefine winning. Slowly, Sam changed. He stopped checking others' times. He stopped chasing applause. He focused on breathing, on effort, on improvement, not perfection. The parents' shock. At first, his parents didn't understand. You must stay number one, they said. Sam replied calmly, I want to stay human. They didn't answer, but they started watching him smile again, and something softened. Leo's hidden struggles. Leo wasn't always happy. He failed exams, lost friends, faced doubt, but he practiced gratitude. Every morning, he named 3 things he appreciated: his legs, his breath, another chance. A new competition. Years passed. They grew older. Different schools, different paths. But they met again in college. This time, there was no podium, only life. Where are they now? Sam became a fitness coach. He teaches kids to love movement, not medals. Leo became a writer. He teaches people to love themselves, not rankings. Neither became famous. Both became fulfilled. The real lesson: success without peace is exhaustion. Achievement without joy is empty. Comparison steals happiness. Presence creates it. What the podium never shows. The podium shows who arrived first. It never shows who sleeps peacefully. It never shows who feels enough. It never shows who loves their life. Happiness is not external. It's not money, not trophies, not titles. Happiness lives in perspective, in acceptance, in choosing gratitude over jealousy. Final conversation. One day, Leo asked Sam, "Would you rather be first and miserable or third and smiling?" Sam laughed. "Third every time." Final message. They taught us to chase first place. They forgot to teach us inner peace. The happiest person is not the one who wins the race. It is the one who enjoys the run. Because happiness is not a result. It is a state of mind. Please subscribe and support for more videos.